If you are a salaried employee earning under 50 lakh rupees a year, filing your ITR-1 is a straightforward process. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have your return successfully submitted and verified. Before we open the portal, gather your essentials. You need your PAN card, your physical Form 16 from your employer, your bank account details, and the smartphone linked to your Aadhaar. A quick note on timing. You are reporting the income you earned during the previous financial year, but the system asks you for the assessment year. For this cycle, you must explicitly select Assessment Year 2026-2027. Keep that Aadhaar-linked phone right next to your keyboard. If you cannot receive OTPs on that specific device, the portal will completely block your final submission. Having these specific documents on your desk right now prevents the website from timing out while you search for paperwork, ensuring a seamless, error-free run through the forms. Head to the e-filing portal and log in. From your dashboard, navigate through the top menu by clicking E-File, then Income Tax Returns, and select File Income Tax Return. On the next screen, select Assessment Year 2026-27 from the drop-down menu and choose the Start New Filing option. Choose your status as an individual and pick the ITR-1 form type. When the system prompts you for a reason for filing, simply check the box corresponding to your income bracket and proceed. The portal breaks your return into distinct schedules. Open the first one, Personal Information, and review the page to confirm that your mobile number, email, and home address are perfectly accurate. Scroll down to verify your listed bank accounts. You must ensure that at least one active account is toggled on for your refund nomination. Skipping this simple bank validation check is the primary reason completed tax refunds fail to reach a taxpayer's account. Lock it in before you move forward. Next, return to the main dashboard and open the Gross Total Income Schedule. This screen displays the salary data the government already has. Take your physical Form 16, compare Part B on the left, and ensure every number matches the digital fields on the right. Under the updated rules of the Income Tax Act 2025, the system defaults to the new tax regime. Verify which regime you are currently opted into, as this directly dictates your eligible exemptions. This chart represents your gross income. In the total deduction schedule, a sliced-off chunk represents ADC and ADD investments your employer reported. If any eligible investments were missed, manually input them here. Watch the taxable total drop as new deductions apply to the chart. Meticulously verifying this pre-filled data against your Form 16 ensures your math is flawless. This prevents automated demand notices for underreported income from the IT department later in the year. Next, move to the Taxes Paid section. Ensure the figures here perfectly match the tax deducted at source, or TDS, shown on both your Form 16 and your Annual Information Statement. Click the Total Tax Liability tab. This commands the system to calculate your final math, displaying your final amount payable or your expected refund. To finalize, click Preview Return. Scroll to the document's bottom, check the mandatory declaration boxes, and hit Proceed to Validation. Once the portal confirms your validation is successful, you reach the critical final step. Select E-Verify Now using the Aadhaar OTP method. Check your phone immediately. You must input the time-sensitive Aadhaar password before the strict security session window rapidly closes on your screen. Without completing this final e-verification step within the allowed window, your submitted return is legally invalid. When the portal accepts your OTP, a green Successfully E-Verified message will appear on your dashboard. Just beneath that checkmark, click the Download Receipt button. Save this ITRV PDF document directly to a secure local folder on your computer. The IT department will now process your return on their end, and they will notify you via SMS regarding the status of your refund. Securely downloading the ITRV completes your annual compliance duty, securing your financial peace of mind for the year.